Hey guys, FidaHussain here. The Nokia X has once again made an appearance, this time in a hands-on video. From what the video shows, the X looks beautiful. There is nothing new to see here except for the glossy finish on the back, which seems to be made of glossy. Hopefully, it would be a great disappointment if the back is made of glossy plastic. The Nokia X/X6 is stated for arrival on the 16th of May as confirmed by HMD Global. The X has a notch on the top with a body that seems to be perfect for the handheld use. The fingerprint scanner sits right below the vertically aligned dual camera setup. The front is flush with the full screen display that looks sleek with just the notch on top and the Nokia logo on the chin. The Nokia X is a callback to 2014's X, which was Nokia's first Android smartphone, which did terribly on the market. There are rumors that the X is the reincarnation of the Nokia X6. The Nokia X will be the Nokia first phone to sport the notch. It is expected to fail in the range just below the Nokia 7 Plus, although it is supposed to sport a camera configuration similar to the 7 Plus. If reports are to be believed, the X will sport a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 chipset with 4GB of RAM. The upcoming Nokia smartphone is coming on the 16th of May, a day before the OnePlus 6. Is HMD Global trying to steal all the limelight from OnePlus 6? Quite possibly, but one thing is for sure, this month is going to have a lot of great devices hitting the market, so stay tuned for more.
他们啥意思啊？还让不让试用啊？
对呀、
一码都不告诉我们。